So the app you want to download is MetaMask. This is a Ethereum network platform, all ran through Ethereum, which is a smart contract. You can see here where you can buy it. You're going to want to buy at least 0.05 Ethereum to get it started. The link that you get, you're going to want to click browser, and it should bring you to this once you have the 0.05 Ethereum. This unlocks basically the link that you get. I'm actually not in this spot. I'm trying to put it in. So the main panel is what I'm trying to get real quick. 1 second. Main panel. Okay. So you have two ways of making passive income. You have your team building, which you see is X3. Each of those circles you can basically fill up in different ways. There's 4 ways you can get those circles filled. The one is partner invited by you, overflow from up top, bottom overflow, partner who is ahead of his investor. So these are the 4 ways to fill those circles up. So basically each circle you fill up, you're going to get paid 0.025 Ethereum, 0.05 Ethereum, 0.1 Ethereum, and 0.2, and so forth and so forth. As you see, I have 4 levels unlocked right now, trying to get at least to the 7th level, because if you get 1.6, which is roughly 1 Ethereum in 0.6, so you're looking at 400 and some change. Now you see for the X4, it's the same thing, but you have more circles. Basically another way for you to make money. So there's 2 ways. So it's not just one thing. And as you see the little people down on the bottom. It shows you how many people that's on, and the pink circles is basically a restart. So after you get these all filled, it will restart and you can do it all over again. So it's like unlimited times, unlimited money. The sky's the limit at this point. But as you see right now, someone just made $163. And this is all right now. This is just happening as we speak. I just thought I'd just put this out there, trying to, I guess, get more people to join. And you see people are buying platforms, which is the different levels that you see from 1 to 12. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget the link is in the description.